Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's tutorial, we're going to introduce a very useful skill called taste skill. So what this skill does, it is a anti-slope front-end framework for AI agents. So it's very popular. It already got 25.6 stars. So the people really like this skill. And basically these skills just give you AI a good taste. So it's going to elevate AI to a premium version of it. So it's very useful, and to install it's very simple. Just go to the installation section and use this one-line command to install that skill. And this will actually install a few skills, which are documented in the skill section, which is like the first one is taste skill, and also there's GPT taste skill, there's a redesign skill. So these are the two most important skills. The taste skill is to create a brand new premium UI with one prompt, and also the redesign skills redesign existing UI, which is outdated UI. So just using one skill, one prompt to get everything updated. So it's great. And also there's other skills like soft skills, and also there's minimalist skills. There's also like stitch skills, so on and so forth. So it's very useful. And let's get to the IDE to show how this works. So first, you have to install it, as I mentioned earlier, and in this demo, we're going to show you how to use it, how to install it, and also to show some real demos, how this looks like. So to test it, and just use this very simple prompt, which is to, can you build two landing pages for roofing service company? So one with test skills and one without test skill. So this will give you a pretty detailed comparison between the one that has the skill and that one didn't use this skill. So let's run this. So we're going to run this on Hermes WebUI and also the Cerebras LLM, so which we demoed in the previous videos. Feel free to check that out if you have not. It's very fast, very cool to use Cerebras with the Hermes agent. So let's hit enter to see how this works. So you can see both pages are completed. So let's check it out. So the first one is the roofing landing page without the test skill. So you can see this is a very basic landing page. So even though I think it's decent, but it's pretty basic. So let's check out the one that has the test skill. And you can see that this is even better. So this is actually really premium, and you can see that the UI is very elevated. So it's very good. So that's the difference. So, but if you want to actually redesign the previous outdated UI to be a modern and premium style, then you can just use the redesign skill. So to do that, you can just say, can you rebuild this? Can you rebuild the roofing no test HTML with redesign existing project skill? Okay, let's hit enter. And you can see that this is actually reviewing the skills. So it's very clear of how this agent works. So it definitely will call the tool, and also it's going to review this skill, and then it's going to read the file, and it's going to generate HTML. So very smooth. So you can see that it has been done. So they basically built this no test landing page to a brand new landing page with a test. So let's check it out. And you can see that it's getting better. So it does have a more premium feeling after redesign. So that's it. So this is how you use the test skill to build a very prurient UI, and also how to use it to redesign a existing UI. So with that being said, hopefully this is helpful, and if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.